OKX, formerly known as OKX, is one of the leading crypto exchanges in the industry today, offering a variety of services and features. OKX is not just an exchange, but also a platform for staking, mining, lending, and exploring DeFi strategies. In today's video, we'll be exploring OKX, covering its origin story and history, its offerings, the OKB token, and the OKB Chain. So make sure you stick around till the end to learn all about the possible ways to earn an income on OKX and understand their future potential. Let's get started. OKX was launched as OKEx in 2017 by Star Shu, who is also the founder and CEO of OKCoin, one of the oldest and largest crypto exchanges in China. In 2018, OKX moved its headquarters to Malta, a crypto-friendly island nation that offers a sound regulatory framework for blockchain businesses. However, in 2020, OKX announced that it had changed its legal entity from Malta to Seychelles. The reason for this change was not disclosed, but some speculate it was due to Malta's stricter compliance requirements for crypto exchanges. By January 2022, OKX announced its rebranding as OKX to reflect its vision of becoming a comprehensive digital asset platform that empowers users to optimize their crypto strategies. OKX is built on a decentralized architecture that uses a distributed network of nodes to ensure high performance and security. The exchange claims to have over 400 trading pairs and supports over 200 cryptocurrencies. It also boasts a high liquidity level, ranking third in derivatives trading volume and sixth in overall rankings among all crypto exchanges, according to CoinMarketCap. OKX has offices in Dubai, Turkey, Hong Kong, Silicon Valley, Singapore, and Australia, and serves customers from over 180 regions. The exchange also has partnerships with brands and sports teams like Manchester City, McLaren, and the Australian Olympic team. OKX has sponsored the Tribeca Film Festival since 2022 and holds exclusivity for non-fungible token marketplaces and cryptocurrency exchanges at Tribeca events. One of the core features of OKX is its native token, OKB. OKB is a utility token that allows users to access the special features and benefits of the OKX ecosystem. The token was issued by the OK Blockchain Foundation in 2018, with a total supply of 300 million tokens. Initially, 100 million tokens were distributed to early investors through a private sale, while another 100 million tokens were allocated to the OK Blockchain Foundation for development and marketing purposes. The remaining 100 million tokens were supposed to be distributed to OKX's users through various reward programs. However, in 2019, OKX announced that it would buy back and burn these tokens from the secondary market every quarter until only 100 million tokens were left in circulation. This decision was made to reduce the inflation rate of OKB and increase its scarcity and value. OKX provides a wide range of products and services to its users, catering to different needs and preferences. Some of the main products offered by OKX include spot trading. This is the most basic and common form of trading on OKX. Users can buy and sell hundreds of cryptocurrencies with low fees and high liquidity on OKX's spot market. Users can choose from various payment methods and currencies to fund their accounts, such as bank transfers, credit cards, PayPal, Alipay, WeChat Pay, and others. Users can also use fiat currencies such as USD, EUR, and GBP to trade directly with crypto pairs on OKX. Derivatives trading. This is a more advanced and sophisticated form of trading on OKX. Users can trade futures, options, perpetual swaps, and other contracts with leverage and low fees on OKX's derivatives market. Users can take advantage of various features and benefits on OKX's derivatives platform, such as cross-margin mode, which allows users to share their margin across different contracts, risk management tools such as stop-loss and take-profit orders, and market data, such as in-depth charts, order books, and trading history. Margin trading. This is another form of leverage trading on OKX. Users can borrow funds from OKX or other users to trade with leverage on OKX's margin market. Users can choose from various assets and interest rates to borrow or lend on OKX. Users can also use the auto-repay and auto-borrow functions to optimize their margin trading strategies. However, Users should be aware of the risks involved in margin trading, such as liquidation and interest charges. Staking. This is a form of passive income generation on OKX. Users can stake their crypto tokens on OKX and earn interest from various projects that support proof-of-stake consensus mechanisms. Users can choose from various tokens and interest rates to stake on OKX. Users can also enjoy flexible staking options that allow them to withdraw their tokens at any time without losing their rewards. Mining. This is another form of passive income generation on OKX. Users can join OKX's mining pool and mine various cryptocurrencies with low fees and high rewards. Users can choose from various coins and algorithms to mine on OKX. Users can also monitor their mining performance and earnings on OKX's dashboard. Lending. This is yet another form of passive income generation on OKX. Users can lend their crypto assets on OKX and earn interest from borrowers who need funds for trading or other purposes. Users can choose from various assets and interest rates to lend on OKX. Users can also use the auto lend function to automatically lend their idle assets at the best rates possible. DeFi. This is the most innovative and exciting product that OKX offers. Users can access various DeFi protocols and strategies on OKX through its DeFi hub. Users can explore different features and benefits on OKX's DeFi hub, such as yield farming. Users can deposit their crypto assets into various liquidity pools and earn rewards from fees and tokens. NFT marketplace. Users can create, buy, sell, and trade non-fungible tokens on OKX's NFT marketplace. OKX charges different fees for different products and services. The fee structure of OKX is based on several factors, such as the type of product, the type of order, the trading volume, the VIP level, and the OKB holding. Users can reduce their fees by holding OKB tokens or increasing their trading volume or VIP level. Now, OKX is working towards launching its own Layer 2 blockchain to give it a more competitive edge in the industry. The blockchain is called OKB Chain, or OKBC for short. OKB Chain is a Layer 2 network that aims to solve the scalability problems of Ethereum, the leading smart contract platform. OKB Chain solves the scalability problem with Ethereum by using a technology called ZK EVM, which stands for Zero Knowledge Ethereum Virtual Machine. ZK EVM is a breakthrough innovation that allows OKB Chain to achieve 100% compatibility with Ethereum, meaning that any DApp or smart contract that runs on Ethereum can also run on OKB Chain without any modification. This is different from some Layer 2 solutions that require developers to rewrite their code or use different programming languages. ZK EVM also ensures that OKB Chain inherits the security and decentralization of Ethereum, as it relies on zero-knowledge proofs to verify transactions and state transitions. OKB Chain uses proof of authority as its consensus mechanism for validating transactions and claims to have a 3-second finality with high throughput. The blockchain is also powered by the OKB token and has access to 50 million users and over $8 billion in assets in the OKX ecosystem. We should mention that the OKB chain is not to be confused with OKTC, which is OKX's Layer 1 chain that has been in existence since 2020. Apart from being the Layer 2 upgrade from OKTC, Starshoe has clarified that OKB Chain is also developed solely in-house by the OKX company, unlike OKTC, which was co-built by OKX and the community developers. That said, OKB Chain is still in development and has not yet launched its mainnet. However, it is currently in its testnet phase and plans to launch its mainnet in Q1 2024. We believe OKX is a great crypto exchange and platform that offers a wide range of products and services to suit different needs and preferences. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, a trader or an investor, a hodler or a farmer, you'll find something that suits you on OKX. The OKB token potentially has some promising prospects ahead. That's all for today's video. If you found our video informative, then please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get updates on all our future videos. Also, let us know what project you would like us to cover next in the comments below.